So, tingnan natin kung anong in-order ni Travis, guys, no? Nakain kami, guys, oh. Nagtingin lang siya. Hi, Ellie! Hi, baby!
Alright, guys. Jessica got me a birthday present. Ooh, I wonder what she got me. I wonder.
You already know.
No, yeah, I do. I know. She knows that. She knows not to buy me anything unless I pick it out. Because I'm very picky. I know. You guys are probably like, why are you so picky? It's a present. Nah. I know what I want. I always know what I want. This is one of 3 of her presents that she's getting me. What? Oh!
1 of 3? Are you kidding me?
Oh, Milwaukee. And a battery. Woo! Ellie, stop! You're stealing my thunder. I'm doing a gift reveal. Can you hang on a minute? All right, guys. So I got the Milwaukee Mid Torque. This is the 2962 TAC 20, and that means it comes with the 5 amp hour battery. So I am happy. Thank you, love.
You're welcome, babe.
And the next one is a high torque impact.
Hi guys! Welcome back! May nagpadala sa amin ng damit. Papakita ko sa inyo yung damit. Mahalin pa naman ang damit. I think she don't wanna mention her name, but I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung pinadala niya. Cause I think last week, nag-comment siya sa Facebook namin sa isa sa tawag nito, sa video namin kung anong size na si Ellie. Sabi ko, hindi na siya kasya sa newborn. Sabi ko, 3 to 6 months na siya. And then, she sent us two dresses for Ellie. Tignan nyo naman. Ang cute. Ang bango. Ang mahal nito. $16 yung itong isa. Carter's yung tatak. Tapos yung isa...
It's a popular brand.
Popular brand for baby clothes.
There's a Carter store in the mall.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I forgot her name, but I don't even know if she wanna mention her name. So, maybe they wanna, just, you know, yung ano na lang. Hindi na lang namin sabihin pangalan niya. Pero thank you. Ay, ang lang cute nito.
Yeah, that's cute. We'll put Ellie in it.
Thank you. This is really cute. Malapit na siya talaga magkasya dito. Tignan niyo naman.
Look at you got that. Thank you.
She has some bumps on her face. Like, what is that, babe? What do you call that?
It's the baby
acne. And we...
A little bit of the cradle cap.
Yeah, we want to try to put cream, but they said that it's better not to put anything on her face. You know, kasi baby sila. And sabi nila normal naman daw magkaroon ng bumps. Kaya nayaan na lang namin. Ayan, parang siya mga ano... Parang sa atin, parang mga butlig-butlig, ganun. Una, nandito sa ulo niya. Una na sa ulo niya, tapos nandito na sa mukha niya. Ayusin mo naman yung buhok ni Ellie. Oh. Oh my gosh, you're bald!
She got more hair than most babies.
Yeah, parang wala siyang buhok dito sa unahan. Parang talaga kay ng daddy mo ng ano. Oh. Thank you again! I like this color. Blue and pink. Ang galing, ang galing naman. Alam niya, hindi ko alam paano niya nalaman yung address namin. Siguro, I don't know. Oh, yeah, kasi nag-email siya sa amin. Ano daw address namin? Ayan. Ito yung binigay niya. And then, Travis bought me a Jollibee, guys. Sabi ko, babe, nag-crave ako sa Jollibee. Tapos binila niya ako ng Jollibee. Sabi niya, ayaw ko. Madami tayong pagkain sa rep.
I was looking at her
Tapos
ears.
pag-uwi, meron siyang dala.
She has the, on her ears too.
Ayaw namin nakakita siya na may ganyan. Gusto sana namin yung, alam mo, nabilhan siya ng, tawag nito, ng cream na pwedeng para matanggal. Pero ang dami nagsabi sa amin, wag na daw namin galawin kasi nga, mawawala naman daw. Say hi, Kinsley! Say hi! Say hi, baby ko. Hindi kami masyado naglalabas ngayon, guys, kasi yung pollen, di ba pollen tawag ba nun? Kasi nagkaka-allergy ako kapag nung last year nagka-allergy ako, nagkasakit ako. Yung ilong ko, yung parang panay singhot, sipon, gano'n, tapos nagluluwa yung mata. Kaya iniiwasan ko muna labas. Hi, Kinsley! Say hi! Kiss mommy. Nagustuhan ko yung gupit ni Travis sa akin, guys. So, tignan natin kung anong in-order ni Travis, guys, no? Ito ang in-order ni Travis. Travis. Oh, you order online?
Yeah.
How?
I just picked it up.
Do they have online order?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they all do. Oh.
Wow, it's cheaper, huh?
No. Still junk. Still junk food.
Look at Ellie. My poor baby.
Oh.
Dami siyang ano, guys.
Should I call the pediatrician?
Nah, they say it's normal.
It is normal.
And it's not only her na merong ganyan. Madaming baby na nagkakaroon. May iba na hindi sila nagkakaroon ng ganyan. So, marami din na nagkakaroon. Pero nawawala din daw. Ooh, my chicken joy and spaghetti. Do you want this, babe? We can share.
No.
Hindi niya bet yung ano, Jollibee.
Okay.
Let's see, guys.
Okay.
May chicken at saka spaghetti. Salamat, babe. Babe, thank you.
You're welcome.
Tapos yung gravy, oh my gosh. And dumating na nga pala yung ano namin, another breast pump. Yung breast pump na ano, kasi nasira yung isa, yung isang,
Oh yeah, because the other one didn't work.
hindi gumagana yung isa. So, isa lang yung ginagamit ko. So, ang ginawa ni Travis, kinontak niya yung customer service. Sinabi niya na, hindi gumagana yung isa. So, paano gagawin namin? Paano namin i-return? Kasi nakuha namin siya sa lactation center. So, hindi talaga siya galing dun sa pinaka-ano talaga. Galing siya dun sa may lactation center. Tapos, ang ginawa namin, nag-contact na lang kami sa customer service nila. Tapos, sabi nila, mag-send daw sila ng bago. So, yun. Sinend lang namin yung address namin. So, magkain muna ako, guys. Nagutom na talaga ako. Kanina kumain ako ng tinola. May tinola pa naman kami. Mga unta. Nakain kami, guys. Oh, nagtingin lang siya. Hi, Ellie! Hi, baby! Malamig daw kasi yung paan niya eh. Kaya inanuhan ni Travis. Oh. Hi, baby ko! Look at our bed.
He's like, I hate you guys.
Hi!
You put me in this rocker.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Kinuli.
Kinsley. You can't do that. She's
Kinuli.
Ellie.
This movie is brought
Ellie's
to you
like
with
knocked
limited interruptions.
Tulog na agad si Ellie.
At AT&T, we confident in Gary.
Sabi talaga, oh, tahimik niya, oh. Pag sa daddy niya. Babe, you slept good last night?
I did.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I had lots of sleep.
Yeah.
You did too. You
Oh,
slept pretty
no,
good.
no.
Oh yeah.
No. I let you sleep because you have, work.
Yeah.
Kasi guys, may pasok siya. Mga ilang araw ulit. Because they're wondering why you have work. Why you have work, but you're in a parental leave, right?
If I go to work, I'm not on parental leave status.
What?
We have the option to break up our parental leave, so we
Oh,
don't
yeah.
use it all at once.
Yeah, so,
I have to save some days and for this, like for the holidays, and I wanted to save a few days just in case,
yeah.
we needed some childcare and I can take that leave without tapping into my personal leave.
Right. So, how many days did you already use for the
Parental, only 20.
20 days? And then, you have total of 3 months, right?
I have 67 days left.
Oh, wow. That's still a lot.
Yeah. So it was a total of about 87 days, give or take.
Yeah.
It's 12 weeks.
Yeah, so kung nag-ano kayo, maybe you guys are wondering why he keeps going to work. Bale, hinahati-hati niya. May leave siya this week, next week, pasok siya. Pero next week, he's not gonna go to work because we will go to Michigan, guys. Eliana.
What you doing?
Pasensya na yung bunganga ko medyo
What you doing?
nakain kasi ako ng chips.
Hi. What you doing? What you doing?
Ang mga tao sa vlog, si Eliana na lang pinanood, pati mga kapatid ko.
What you doing?
Ala! Hindi na kami ni Daddy ang pinapanood, ikaw na ang pinapanood. They used to watch our video, you and me, just you and me, babe. Now they always wanna see Ellie.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle.
Ellie!
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
If she gets hungry, she still have some ano, Ben.
What you doing? Are you pooping? Are you
Grabe
trying
guys,
to?
look, she's growing really fast. Look at these onesies. It's already tight for
Yeah,
her.
they're getting tight already.
How many times did we just use it? Maybe this is only twice. Kaya pinasuot ko pinasuot ko pa din sa kanya habang kasya pa.
Maybe a couple times we've used it.
Yeah, 2 or 3
Shoot, we're
times.
gonna need some. Do we have enough that fit her from Michigan? It's gonna be cold up there.
That's why we need to go to to the store.
Mommy gonna spend more money on you.
No, Dada.
Huh?
Dada.
You got your Jollibee. Yeah, Mama got her
Dada's gonna
Jollibee.
spend money for your clothes, Ellie.
Yup, that's a poopy face. Are you pooping? Are you pooping?
Medyo naglalight na yung ano niya guys, acne niya. Babe, you have acne from shaving.
Yeah.
Kaya ayaw niya mag-shave kasi nagkaka-acne siya eh. Parehas na kayo ng daddy mo may acne. Like father, like daughter.
It's because the blade's dull, probably.
Ellie! Eliana! Look at her.
What you doing?
Where's Mama?
I need to get my hair cut too before we leave.
Where's Mama? Lolo, no.
Do you want to see her instant cry, guys?
Okay.
Watch. Instant cry, watch. Okay.
Nope.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Sometimes she will cry, sometimes she's not.
A few moments later.
Ay, sus! Hi guys! Sobrang lamig na naman ngayon, no? Iba-iba talaga yung weather dito sa amin. Pupunta naman kami ngayon. Mag-dinner kami kasama sina Jen and Kevin. And isama namin si Elle. Kasi syempre, wala magbabantay. And napadede ko na rin siya. Kaya napalitan na rin siya ng diaper. So, naisama na namin siya. I think, one time, kumain kami sa labas kasama yung friend din namin. And, ano lang talaga siya, tulog lang talaga siya sa may stroller niya. So, ngayon, matutulog lang ulit yun siya kasi nga, busog na siya. Tapos, napalitan na rin siya ng diaper. Grabe, ang lamig ngayon. Nilagyan ko ng jacket si Ellie. Kasi malamig na. Yeah, I know, it's cold again.
Gosh,
Yesterday, it's just like,
this weekend it was 90.
yeah, 90
And now
or
it's
80.
40.
Tapos ngayon, lamig na naman. Iba-iba talaga ang weather ngayon dito sa amin. The weather here is
Babe.
really unpredictable.
Babe,
Mm.
did you show my ano?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yung gift ko sa kanya.
Milwaukee.
Spoiled.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
Ano, tag nito, gift ko sa kanya, advance birthday gift. Kasi mag-birthday na siya. So, yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. And kakain muna kami sa labas. We'll see you next time. Bye!